What's up again, everybody? It's Thanasi here, your Caliper King. Today we received from a great customer some 1988 Toyota Celica GTS all-wheel drive calipers. Now this is probably one of its kind, a four-wheel drive Toyota that wasn't really heard of back then. But let's hop into it, get these calipers rebuilt, and we'll see you on the flip side. So this 1988 Toyota Celica all-wheel drive was the first of its time. It helped Toyota compete in rally championships across the world. With a 2.0 5-speed manual transmission, producing 190 horsepower with 177 pounds of torque, this beast went 0 to 60 in 7.5 seconds.
What's up, Caliper King Nation? We just finished those 1988 Toyota Celica GTS all-wheel drive calipers. It was one of a kind. It was awesome making them. We spray painted them black, exactly what Mr. Frank wanted. Hopefully they have another 20-30 years left in them. If you like this type of content, like and subscribe, smash the like button. If it's got a caliper, we got you covered. And for now, I'm the Caliper King, Thanasi, and break on.